What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are on the first series of a new rider starting today. We got Grant here.
Hey folks, how are you?
Yeah, this is his first time not knowing how to ride a clutch, right? You never rode a clutch before?
Correct, never.
And we are going to start on this WR for the first time today. What I'm gonna do first is go over the controls so Grant understands. This is gonna be the first basics, ground zero stance for it. So anyone that's trying to learn how to ride, this will be kind of the process that how I learned myself was on a dirt bike, but would still apply to any bike you'd essentially hop on. First is one, you got the kill switch here. Number one key, in case if anything goes wrong with the bike, try to hit the best you can. We got the start right here. So that's essentially get your ignition going from there. And that starts up, you press that, that'll actually start the bike itself. Of course, we have the throttle, front brake right there, the clutch, shifter, the rear brake. All right, first round of learning how to ride a clutch on a motorcycle. Go ahead and let's hit the start, let's hit the auxiliary. All right, you're on there. Pull your clutch in. Okay. Let's go ahead and press the start. Said before, make sure that clutch is in. Very key. We'll go over and you got to stop, which is also bringing in that clutch. If anything gets out of control, pull the clutch in, and it will bring that bike to a slowing stop. You'll then use your front brake when you use your rear bike. Just work on your front brake. And then of course, hit that. That'll shut off the bike at first. Alright, so now we're at where your clutch into first. Start to pull your clutch out. Give it a little gas. Gas. There you go. There you go. No more gas. More gas. There you go. Alright, so come to a stop. Pull your clutch in. Perfect. Nice job, Grant. First round. Very well done.
Thank you.
Now we're going to work on the second part, which is getting into second. So he rode first around to get comfortable with releasing the clutch. Now we're going to see if we can shift up into second. And then from there, if he's comfortable enough, this is a street legal bike. We'll probably move this to the road from here. And that's moving pretty fast. Let's go ahead, do your procedure. Bike's on.
Clutch in, third.
Yep. He goes into second. Your first time riding the clutch. You're going to pop it into first. Second's just going to go right up into it. You're not going to be able to neutral. Take off, Grant. You in second? Nice job. How's that feel?
A little too much fun.
Grant went the first two rounds real quick, learned on how to ride the motorcycle already out of the clutch. Never rode still before, and he's already now, we got him on the road. This is a street legal bike once again. And we're gonna head do a couple pass bys, see how he feels, and if he is, we're gonna get him riding around the road here. Why don't you go ahead and do your procedures, get it started. This is the first part of the series of getting Grant on the road. He did fantastic on his first ride on his motorcycle. Nice job, Grant. Fantastic job out there. You look good. He is getting a bike, and if you guys can name it below, I'll send you a free t-shirt. It's his way to get onto an actual street motorcycle other than a dirt bike. We're gonna learn other maneuvers and other series of this. So, as always, guys, if you made it all the way through, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you. As always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later.